Today I'm going to be reviewing this electric spin scrubber. First and foremost, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and give you my full and honest review. So today I'm going to be unboxing it, showing you everything that's inside the box, and then we'll go ahead and take it for a spin. All right, so I got the box open. Take a look. Everything that you need is inside your box. Let's go ahead and check out what is inside the box. You do get your manual. It lets you know how to properly use your spin scrubber. Shows you all the different kinds of pads that you'll be getting. So this is the little stand that it goes in. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So you could choose to use this or not. This is if in case you're using it like in harder or higher to reach areas. So it does have this included. So just go ahead and place them together. Take a look, and it does have like a little latch right here, so you could go ahead and adjust the height. Then you can go ahead and hang it up if you choose to. It has a little hook right here. So it has all kinds of scrubber heads. So check it out. This is one of them. And then all you have to do is simply just attach this to the electric scrubber. It has this one right here. These you could go ahead and attach as well. And each one of these is wrapped individually, so you just want to go ahead and take it out. Very nice. Has this one right here, then this fluffy looking one, and this one. This is the spin scrubber itself. Definitely is sturdy, so let's go ahead and power it on. Whoa. So it immediately turned it on as soon as I pressed the power button. Then it went ahead and turned on. So let me go ahead and let's check this out. So we want to go ahead and attach it right here. So you can see this is the top piece. And it does fold. As you can see, it does have this right here. So you can go ahead and adjust that if you want to go ahead and have it like at an angle. Or you could go ahead and just straighten it out. So it could just be a straight shot like that. It does have it right here, like the power. And then it's going to go ahead and let you know the speeds. So back here, it does have the piece where you're going to go ahead and charge it. The charger is included. So take a look. It's a Type-C charging. Right here, it does have where it says push. This is if in case you attach it to the longer handle. Put it in here. And then there you go. You go ahead and adjust the height if you like. Simply push on this and release. So take a look. And then once you're done, if you just want to go ahead and use this by itself, you want to go ahead and just hit push right here, and then that'll release that. So I'm going to go ahead and attach this one right here. So let me go ahead and show you what that power looks like. That's like the smaller speed. This is the lighter speed, and then this is the higher speed. To remove it, you just want to go ahead and detach the little spin head, and then you want to go ahead and apply the new one. Just simply snap it back into place. Take a look. As easy as that. As you can see, it's making contact and it is still spinning. So overall, if you're looking for an electric spin brush that has multiple heads, multiple features, and it also has an extendable arm, then I would definitely recommend this one. Go ahead and check it out.